Hello, my name is Ronnie Breeker from Sterling Heights High School. I will be showing you how to format the perfect lab report at MSTC. There are a few things you should include in your lab report. The first thing you should include in your lab report is your problem statement. Your problem statement should explain what the research is about. The next thing you should include is your hypothesis. Your hypothesis is what you think the result of the experiment will be. In your lab report, you must list your materials that you use for the experiment. Use the correct units of measurement. After doing that, you should include your procedure. The procedure should list the steps for doing the experiment. After the procedure, there should be a diagram of the experiment. Make sure you anchor and label it correctly. Make sure you include any data and/or observations you have made during the experiment. After that, you should include your data analysis and interpretation. Include graphs that display the data you have collected and explain what they mean. The final part of your lab report, the conclusion, should accept or reject your hypothesis. Draw together your final conclusions. Heading, font, spacing, and sections. You should always include a heading at the top of every page. You should have your name. If you have a partner, include their name as well. Under that, include the class the lab report is for. Add whatever class you are a part of, for example, 9A. The last line of the heading should be the due date of the lab report in MLA format. Double space the lab report except when listing materials. For individual procedures that are more than one line long, use single spacing. Use double space in between each procedure. You should center and bold section titles. Use numerals for numbers preceding technical units of measurement. You should always speak in the third person. Use active voice as much as possible. Write out numbers from 0 to 10. Use numerals for any number 11 and above. To make tables in Excel and bring them into your lab report, you first have to arrange the cells so that they form a table. Highlight all of the cells used to set borders to every side. Make sure the table is formatted correctly. Highlight the entire table and press Ctrl+C. Open your lab report and paste it in by pressing Ctrl+V. Each table should be labeled as table with a sequential number you assign after it. Add a descriptive title below it. Include an anchor in paragraph form that explains what the table represents. In the table, words should be left aligned while numbers are right aligned. Center the column heading so both vertically and horizontally. Do not use bold or italic text. When making graphs in Excel, you must first enter your data into the spreadsheet in table format. Highlight the data. Then go to Insert and then press on Chart and edit the graph to your liking. After you have created the graph, right-click on the graph and press Copy and open your lab report. Next, you right-click and press Paste in your lab report. When labeling graphs, each figure should be labeled as figure with a sequential number directly after it. This should be placed below the figure. Do not include two titles. The title should be placed in the label and not included in the graph itself. Below the label, you must anchor your figure. Use standard capitalization and paragraph form. Any questions?